So now let's see how we can work around with fuzzy border effect inside of GIMP. So in order to add in the fuzzy border effect, first of all, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here, and then over around here, you need to go around onto decor. Then you can see that fuzzy border is an option. Once you go around, you can choose the color of the fuzzy border right here. So let's just go around and choose something like green right here, just like this, and press OK. And I'm going to go around and change around the granularity and maybe add in the shadows as well. And then over here, you can see that I'm going to work on a copy and flatten the image. So once I go around, choose the parameters right here, I can go around and press OK right here, just like this. And you can see that fuzzy borders is added in. So if I were to go around over here and zoom in, you can see that this is not a straight line right here of the border, but it is fuzzy around over here on the sides. And that is how you can add in fuzzy border effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.